In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads in 2025 with a complete tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to harness the power of online advertising to get more customers and boost your sales, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to Google Ads. This is your main hub for creating and managing ads that can capture the attention of potential customers across the internet. Begin by navigating to their homepage. You can do this easily by opening your preferred web browser and typing in ads.google.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by a clean and inviting interface designed to make online advertising accessible for everyone. When you arrive at the Google Ads homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You're going to want to click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial as it will direct you to log into your Google account, which is necessary for accessing all the features that Google Ads has to offer. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quick and straightforward, and Google will guide you through the process if needed. With your Google account set up and logged in, the next step is to access the Google Ads home. This page is essentially your dashboard. From here, you can create, manage, and monitor your ad campaigns. It's laid out to offer you quick insights such as total ad spend and overall performance metrics, all from one centralized location. This way you can keep your campaigns on track effortlessly. Once you're on your homepage, it's time to start working on a campaign. You'll see a button labeled Campaign in the main menu. Click there and you will be taken to a new page that showcases all your current and past campaigns if you have any. This section is intended for managing your ads specifically and is where you can tweak various elements to better suit your marketing goals. At this point, you're ready to launch a new campaign. To do that, look for a button, typically situated on the upper left or near a prominent menu, labeled New Campaign. Clicking this gives you various options for campaign types, from search ads to display ads and more. Choose the one that aligns with what you're trying to achieve. Whether it's attracting website visits, promoting your app, or increasing store visits, Google Ads provides templates and guidelines to set campaign parameters easily. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to running effective Google Ads in 2025. Thank you for watching, and let's get those ads out there.